Hello and welcome to Autobahn Vault. My name is Thuy Phan, and today I'm excited to present a vehicle that needs no introduction as it traces its DNA back to a modest beginning as a military truck upon request from the Shah of Iran in the early 1970s. Almost 50 years later, the iconic Geländewagen is one of the longest model runs in Daimler's history, exceeded only by the Unimog. With just under 12,000 miles on the odometer, this one-owner G63 AMG still offers the utilitarian prowess of its military ancestors while delivering a massive punch. Thanks to the reliable M157 bi-turbo 5.5-liter V8 engine under its chiseled hood, this engineering marvel packs 536 horsepower and an equally impressive 560 pound-feet of torque. Will you need to reach 62 miles per hour from a standstill in 5.3 seconds on a regular basis, or tow a 7,500-pound load to remote places where only few fully stocked vehicles have set foot? Probably not, but it's good to know that you can if you ever wanted to. All of this while cocooned by its factory Designo Exclusive interior of rich wood, diamond-stitched leather, and fine Alcantara upholstery. This particular specimen goes beyond imposing looks and performance, however, as it comes with documented service history exclusively from Mercedes-Benz, which dates back to when it was new. Additionally, and in preparation for sale, a major service was performed by Mercedes-Benz of Bonita Springs as follows. Service A and complete inspection, which included new synthetic oil and fleece filter, new OEM brake pads, new fluid flush, sunroof lubrication, new OEM air filter, new OEM cabin filter, new OEM windshield wipers, new Pirelli Scorpio tires all around, balance and alignment. One owner, under 12,000 miles, complete and up-to-date service history to guarantee many years of trouble-free ownership to the next caregiver of this amazing truck. At Autobahn Vault, we refuse to cut corners in favor of maximizing profit. Consequently, our vehicles stack up against the best examples on the market at any given time. This Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG is no exception, as it virtually looks, smells, and performs like the day it left the Gelandewagen plant in Graz, Austria. You will not be disappointed. For pricing, shipping quotes, or any information, please give us a call at 239-204-7434 or visit our website at autobahn-vault.com.